Good morning, dear tailors. You are all welcome to Nyeke Fashion. In just a few minutes, I'll be teaching you how to read your tape measurement. Now let's get into the business of the day. So from the tip of this metal here to this long line is 1 inch. From the tip of this metal to this line, the longest one here is 1 inch. I'm using my pen, I hope you can see it. So from this long line as well to this other long line here is also 1 inch. So you have to take note of the small lines in between the longer lines, okay? You see there are smaller lines in between. So from this long line to the small line here, from here to this place is 1/8. This is an 8, okay? From this long line to the smallest line immediate to it is 1/8. Then from this long line to the next one is called quarter. That is quarter of an inch. You move from here to this one is called quarter of an inch. Okay, that is if you count these small lines 1, 2, that is quarter of an inch. If you now move from here to the third line, this is called, you have to count 3. Okay, that's 3/8 to 3. Okay, that's 3/8. From this long line to the middle line is half of an inch. Half of an inch. So if you check from the two longest line, this is the line in between, that means this is half of 1 inch. So from this long line to this middle line is half of an inch. Okay, now from this long line again, if you move to this small line that is here, this is 5/8. That is 5/8. So you count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so from the long line to this other small line here is called 3/4. 3/4. From the long line, you see you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 3/4. From this long line to this other small line is called 7/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 7/8. From this long line to this other one is called 1 inch. Okay, so from that long line, if you check all through, check the longest line from the tip here to the longest, from the tip here to the longest line here is 1 inch. From here to this other long line is also 1 inch. From here to this place is also 1 inch. Okay, there are 1 inch intervals all through. But when you are to measure something, you have to add them up. Okay, you add them up. That's when you have 2 or 3 or 4 inches. So now let's practicalize what we've learned. We'll be taking the measurement of this power bank. Okay, look at how I'm placing it. I'm placing the tip. Okay, I'm not placing it from the one. Okay, I'm placing it from the tip of this metal. Okay, so if you take a good look at it, you discover that this power bank is 6 inches. Okay, look at how I'm placing it. Make sure you place it well, beginning from that metal. So if you look at it very well, you will notice that it is measuring 6 inches. Okay, 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 inches. So you add them, well, that is 6 inches. The tape is measuring 6 inches. I do hope you understand this. Please, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to this channel and make sure you hit the notification bell to get notified. Thank you.